Here's how you can fix your Instagram notes not showing. As you can see, I do have my Instagram notes, but if you don't have your Instagram notes, then this is exactly what you need to do. First, make sure that your Instagram app is fully updated. So you want to exit out and go over to your Google Play Store or your App Store. And then in the search bar, you want to find Instagram. And then once you found that, you want to look for a button that says update. In this case, mine just says open, meaning that it's fully updated to the latest version. So now simply click on open. And then now from here, what you can also do is click on the three bars at the top right corner. And at the very bottom, if it's not fully updated, there would be this message icon that says update messaging, and simply click on that and that'll update your messaging to the latest version. So now if everything is fully updated, you go over to check your DMs and then your notes are still not there for some reason. This is another thing that you can do is basically click on the three bars and click on settings and privacy. And then now from here, what you want to do is scroll down to the very bottom and you're looking for more info and support. And under there, it says help. You want to click on that. And then you want to click on report a problem and then simply click on report problem without shaking. And then now you can choose to include and continue or don't include. It doesn't really matter. And then now you want to briefly explain to Instagram support. So say something along the lines of, hello, I have updated my Instagram, but I still don't have notes. Please give them to me, bruh, thanks. And then simply click on send just like that. And then within about a day or two, Instagram's going to help you get your notes back.